what these are. This shorts, skirt, shorts. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an Amazon haul. I have a few pieces that were sent to me. I have only opened one of them, so I don't know what the other ones are or what they're actually going to be like. So I took everything out of the packaging, so I've seen quick glances, but I'm excited to dive in. First, I'll start with the piece that I have worn, and it is this top. This is so cute. So it is a tank top, and it's kind of a smocked material up top, and then there's kind of like a little peplum style to the bottom. Normally I would not be drawn to this, but I think this is so cute. I wore this with just some denim shorts and a nice cardigan, and I love it. I think it's super, super comfortable. I love the color, and it does come in a ton of other colors as well. I'm a big fan of this. Then we have this piece, and this is something that I definitely don't have a ton of use for, but I'm going to find use because this color is so pretty. So this is just kind of like a tank blouse, and it does have a double lining for just the top part so that it can kind of cowl. Otherwise, it is a little bit on the see-through side, but I feel like if you just wore a nude strapless bra underneath, you would be totally fine. There are adjustable straps on this, and I love the color. I have no idea what size I got this in because there is not a size tag, but I will go ahead and put that information down below for you. Oh, okay, so this is like an off-the-shoulder shirt. So you can wear this off the shoulder this way, or you could kind of go up like this, and then it has some kind of puff balloon sleeves, and it's just in black. Again, a little bit on the see-through side, but with a nude bra, I think you'd be completely fine. I don't know what these are. This shorts, skirt, shorts. Okay, so these are some linen shorts. They are smocked up at the top. There's a bunch of dog hair on them already. I'm so sorry. Been like 2 seconds out of the packaging. And then these are the actual shorts themselves. I don't know if they have pockets. And I'm not sure how they'll look on me, but we're gonna try them on because they're very comfortable. And then lastly is a swimsuit. Can't say that this is something that I feel super comfortable doing online, but I will do it because I feel like it could benefit y'all. So first, this is more of a modest swimsuit. It's kind of a swimsuit dress, and it is this cheetah print material. In all transparency, this is definitely not something that I would pick for myself, and I'm not sure how much use I'll actually get out of it. But that being said, I feel like this could be really cute. And if you're going somewhere like a water park, or, you know, maybe on a family vacation with some family that's a little bit more modest, it's nice to have something like this. And it is kind of a skirt that you can tie up, and it has that cheetah print at the end. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. All right, so I figured we'd start with the swimsuit just to kind of get it out of the way. So like I said, I'm not very comfortable with, but I wanted to share this with you. So first, fit wise, I like how this part fits all the way down on the bottom, but the top just isn't fitting right. It's kind of flattening my breast area in a very uncomfortable way. And I feel like there's room in areas where there shouldn't be, and there's not room in areas where I need there to be. So I think I would have just needed to go a size up, which is fine. It does have adjustable straps, and then this is the bottom. Like I said, you can kind of tie this skirt up so that you could kind of do a little bit more or less skin showing. You know, it's cute from the back. I don't love it from the front just because I just feel really uncomfortable right now. And then it does actually have just like a regular swimsuit underneath. So, I like it. It's not something that I really have a use for, but if you are in the market for something like this, I think this is a really good one. And I do think there are other colors and patterns that are available. So as always, link down below. Okay, so I went ahead and put on these shorts, and I'm not sure if I'm like wearing them wrong or what's happening. I just don't think these are for me. I feel like you have to have a very specific body type for these that I just do not have. So the back looks like this. There is a lining underneath, and they're very high-waisted. I mean, my bra is here and this is the top. So this is definitely a high-waisted pair of shorts. It's kind of doing this like weird thing because of how the material is. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't love these, but I do feel like there's a really specific demographic that would love them, and the quality of them is fantastic. They're just not quite the right fit for me, which is a-okay. All right, so here is that first top. I am just wearing my regular bra, but I would wear this with a sticky bra. And this is what it looks like. I feel like it's super, super cute. It's very lightweight and breathable, which I love. I think the smocked detail with the peplum is very flattering, but also makes it a little bit more breathable too, and kind of covers some trouble areas, which are appreciated. I love this blue teal, I guess it's more of a navy color, and then it has some like lavender flowers, which I think are really pretty. I really like this one. Straps are adjustable as well. I'm a big fan. Okay, then we have this tank top. It's falling a little bit weirdly, and I think it's just because it's kind of catching on my bra. There you go, that's a little bit better. This is what that looks like if you have it untucked. Probably wouldn't wear this with jean shorts. I feel like this is more of like a dressier look. I actually shared in my Walmart haul most recently some like bright orange trousers that I got, and I think this would actually be really fun with that. So I might wear those together. I think this is really pretty. It's very comfortable, and I'm actually not noticing it being as see-through on. I mean, you can tell where the line of my shorts is, but you can't see the color. So I think this is really nice. I am a fan. Okay, lastly, we have this off the shoulder shirt. Again, wearing my regular bra. I typically don't love wearing shirts off the shoulder, so I would most likely either pull it up and kind of wear it more like this. But I love these sleeves. I really appreciate when brands actually have a shorter side and a longer side, because then I feel like it just gives this really like beautiful lantern bell sleeve rather than just, you know, traditional puff sleeve. So no matter where you wear it on your arm, it looks really nice. So I like this. Length of this is really good because you can tuck it in or you can leave it out. I have to say, if it's up on the shoulders, it's not as comfortable. So if you're gonna wanna wear it like that, I'd probably say size up. But for an off the shoulder shirt, I mean, right? Like this is pretty cute. So I like this one as well. All right, so that was everything. I do have to say my favorite piece is still this shirt. I feel like I'm gonna get the most use out of this. And then second favorite is probably gonna be the off the shoulder one, as long as I can find a strapless bra that I actually like to wear it with, because I do think it's really pretty. I'm probably going to donate the shorts and the swimsuit just because I don't think I'm gonna get enough use out of them, but the quality is so good that I definitely recommend them if it's something that fits your style, your body type, you know, what you're looking for in your life. As usual, everything will be linked down below for you, as well as the sizing information for each piece. Everything is super, super budget friendly. I believe everything is under $30. So very budget friendly, great pieces, great staples within your spring and summer wardrobe. So I'm really happy with these. Let me know what you think and which piece is your favorite, and if you're gonna be picking anything up. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!